toy tonight.
And then Ryan decided to do a pretend fire drill for the whole building. Fire! 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 What's that called?
How'd you pronounce that?
A dentist?
Demoiselle crane.
A dent?
Or
No, the little thing that I'm looking at.
Chevrotine.
No, how about the little animal that I'm looking at? The skinny legs.
That's it. A chevrotine.
Okay. Now, zoom over on this one. There's two of them.
There's three of them.
What is there?
They are closely related to hogs and camels.
I see.
Camels?
They are closely related to hogs and camels.
That's some kind of a Demoiselle crane or something. See that again. See that again, Dana.
Huh?
See that again.
The gray-headed Galamine.
Oh, okay.
That was rather slothful, doesn't it?
That's good. Hello, good morning.
Ryan, stop it.
Roar! A sloth bear. Or is he just a sloth, or is he a sloth? Hello? Hello? Looking through the eyepiece, I think these are pink flamingos. No color in this. Having a good time, Bev?
Yeah, I am. Are you?
No.
Why?
Because
why? Don't you like the soup?
those are fish.
I like their beaks. Yay!
I should play Miami Vice.
There's a chimpanzee and monkey. Alive. I would definitely. I like this tail. Why is it doing that?
Boy, what a lively looking crew. Don't they look like they're having fun? What do you have to say then about the zoo?
Great. I love to be able to see all my family together.
Nice. And you, ma'am?
Well, I was trying to keep the zookeepers from getting my family.
I see.
They thought there were some interesting specimens and they really wanted to put it behind bars, but I managed to keep them safe so far.
I see.
What's the matter?